Hey friends, I thought it might be really interesting to teach you guys about the difference between aeroponics and hydroponics. So aeroponics is a method of growing plants without soil. The roots are suspended in air and they're periodically sprayed or sprinkled with a nutrient-rich water. This technique allows for faster growth and higher yields compared to soil-based methods and other hydroponics. And the term aeroponics comes from the ancient Greek. Aero means air and ponos means labor or hardship or toil. It falls under the category of hydroponics, and water is used to deliver nutrients to the plants, but the plants are anchored with their roots exposed to air. Versus hydroponically, the plants are submerged in water, or they're anchored in an inorganic growing medium. So most aeroponic systems are vertical, like this one is. This is the tower garden. They don't need an air pump or an air stone. They're single units, which means that they're self-contained, which is really important for our water table. And they're generally considered easier to set up, operate, and maintain than hydroponic systems. And they don't have as high startup costs either because they don't require extensive pipes, hoses, and tubes. And you can find aeroponics at the most magical places in the world, like Walt Disney, the Kennedy Space Center. And we're going to use less fertilizer, less water, less pesticides, and less space when you grow aeroponically. Plants grown aeroponically use a fraction of the space required by conventional methods. And also, you're not going to be releasing all this nutrient water into the ground, so it protects the groundwater. And as you can see that, we're growing cucumbers and tomatoes and peppers and strawberries and kale, broccoli, beans. You can see the nutrient density in these plants. Look how healthy those leaves are. NASA has shown that aeroponically grown plants take up more vitamins and minerals into the plants than do other growing methods, including hydroponically. I live about a mile from Blue Springs. Just up the road there is Blue Springs State Park. I swim in it every day. It has double the amount of nitrates in the water than it should, which harms the animals' health, plant health. But my systems don't contribute to that because the water recirculates. It doesn't go into the ground. Like most hydroponic systems, the water will release into the ground, including the stackers and things like that. So we do have nice healthy green growth. We use less pesticides, and I hope you guys take a look at aeroponic technology.